Hello traders, in today's video we're covering the No Nonsense Forex strategy, also known as NNFX. This is a systematic approach to Forex analysis that centers on the daily chart and uses a structured indicator algorithm. On the chart, the NNFX method involves several layers. We'll start with the first one, the baseline indicator. The baseline indicator determines the overall direction. The second one, the confirmation indicator, must agree with the baseline indicator. We also have the third one, a volume indicator, that confirms the activity supports the reading. And finally, an exit indicator that signals when conditions may have changed. Each layer serves a specific role in the algorithm and all must align for the system to present its analytical view. The NNFX method does not prescribe specific indicators, but rather defines roles that different indicators fill. So once you understand different indicators or the different layers for the NNFX method, you can find a suitable indicator to fill each layer. Each trader can select their own indicators through backtesting. Now, settings vary based on the chosen indicators, but the methodology recommends the daily time frame and specific risk management rules based on ATR. This strategy is suited for traders who prefer a systematic rules-based approach on a daily time frame. It's an analytical framework only and does not guarantee profit. Building an NNFX algorithm requires extensive backtesting, and the results depend on the individual indicators chosen. Like any systematic approach, it will experience using periods and is wise to always evaluate critically and apply proper risk management. If you'd like to download this tool or learn more, I've included a link in the description below. This has been another video from the Forex Geek. If you found this helpful, please hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.